David, I can study English, but at work, I freeze. I don't know what to say.
That's a very common problem. Many learners know English but can't use it in real work situations.
Yes, meetings, emails, small talk, everything feels stressful.
That's why people don't sound professional. They don't practice real workplace conversations.
So today, we practice real situations?
Exactly. Today you'll learn real English conversations you can actually use at work. Welcome to English Boost TV, where you learn real English for real life. In today's episode, you'll practice useful workplace conversations to help you speak clearly and confidently at work. Before I start, please like and subscribe the channel. Let's begin. Part 1. Greeting at work. Let's start simple. Greetings. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
How was your weekend?
It was great. I relaxed and spent time with family.
Part 2. Starting a conversation.
What if I want to start a conversation?
Try these. Do you have a minute? Can I ask you something? Are you available right now?
That sounds professional.
Part 3. In meetings. Meetings are very important. I'd like to share my idea. What do you think about this? I agree with that. I'm not sure about that.
Simple and clear.
Meeting practice dialogue. Let's try a short meeting. I think we should finish this project by Friday.
I agree. That sounds like a good plan.
Do you need any help?
Yes, that would be great.
Part 4. Talking about tasks. Now, talking about work tasks. I'm working on this project. I will finish it today. I need more time.
Very useful.
Part 5. Asking for help.
What if I don't understand something?
Say, could you explain that again? I didn't understand. Can you repeat? Can you help me with this? Part 6. Small talk at work. Don't forget small talk. How's your day going? Are you busy today? Did you have lunch?
That makes conversations friendly.
Real workplace small talk. Hey, how's your day going?
Pretty busy, but good.
Same here. Did you finish your tasks?
Almost. I'm working on the last one.
Common workplace mistakes.
What mistakes should I avoid?
Speaking too little. Being afraid of mistakes. Using very basic words only. Not practicing real situations. Advanced expressions. Level up. David, want to sound more professional? Instead of, I think, say, in my opinion. Instead of, I don't know, say, I'm not sure, but I'll check. Instead of, wait, say, just a moment, please. Full real-life work conversation. Let's do a full conversation. Good morning, Emma. Do you have a minute?
Good morning. Yes, of course.
I'd like to discuss the project.
Sure. What do you think about the timeline?
In my opinion, we should finish it by Friday.
That sounds good. I'll work on my part today.
Great. Let me know if you need help.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
Because you practiced real situations.
This is exactly what I need at work.
Final tips. Practice real conversations. Speak clearly and simply. Use polite expressions. Don't be afraid to speak.
Thanks, David. This really helps me at work.
You're welcome. Keep practicing every day. Great job. Now you know real English conversations you can use at work. Practice daily and speak with confidence. Thanks for listening to English Boost TV. If you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next episode.